Okay, so game plan today. I'm not going to do much filming in the beginning because I'm going to be chasing coil packs. My friend from Fire and Gasoline gave me a great idea to try and diagnose which cylinder's not firing. And that's using a thermometer and actually checking each individual cylinder pipe on the manifold. Problem is, I can't get to the manifolds on this truck. They shoehorn the 4.6 in here. So, manifold is actually up underneath. And then I thought, oh, well, maybe I'll go under here. Wow, you have suspension. So, I'm going to have to revert back to my old method of trying to get pulling these out one by one. And I think that it's this cylinder right here. Because that coil pack is a super cheap coil pack. You can see it's actually zip tied on because the clips break on these. So, possible. We'll have to wait and see. But, yeah, we'll see what happens. Huh, that's loose. Look at that. My, injector harness is great. So let's take care of that too. That could be part of it. Alright, stay tuned. I got a lot of diagnostics to do and I will update you as soon as I know. Alright, now that I'm sweating like crazy, I believe I got it. It wasn't the one I think, or I thought, but it looks like it was this back one right here. Which, I'm not surprised. That's another common one because when Ford designed these, as much as I love my Fords, this. And when the water comes in, if it leaks through, which it most likely will because here's tabs, it comes down and it drips. Right on 4 and 8. So they're the most common to go bad. I thought it was number 7 because just where it was and it was a cheapo. So I'm gonna take it for a test drive. We're just gonna have to see. If not, I'll move on to the next plug. I'll be able to tell in about 2 seconds here. Nope. Round 3. That hose right there. I heard a vacuum leak right here, which happened to be that hose right there. If you look really close, you'll notice that it's not exactly in good shape. So I went ahead and replaced that and the line for the PCV valve. Sounds a little better. So we'll take it up the road and see what it does this time. Love-hate relationship with this truck. Runs amazing, it's a great truck, but when it doesn't want to run, it's a butt to try and fix. But it's 100 plus, and my body is losing the patience to try and fix it at this point. Let's take it up the road. It is so stinking hot outside. So, I'm doing a little wall art today. I've had this for a good while now. I found it. It was painted black. It was just all scratched up, messed up. And I know it's not going to polish out perfect, but we're going to make it look better than it did. And I'm just going to hang it up on the wall. So, stay tuned. Alright, progress. The wiring harness is mounted up. Papa got all that going on. Some of these tabs gotta be straightened, but no big deal. This will wrap around, go to the back. This goes to the battery. So, that's all done. He's got lines run here, which we still have to finalize, but not too bad. But the creme de la creme, I got to play around a little bit in the garage and feeling rather proud of my work right now. Now I will tell you, I was unhappy with one spot. I got a fingerprint right there. So I have to pull that out and repaint it. But that looks stunning. So much more to go, but seeing stuff like this helps motivate the progress, because I mean, you look at this and all the body work we have to do, even though all the good pretty stuff underneath is done, you still got the body work and you're just like, and then you look at that, and as soon as you see that, it makes the entire job jump on a whole new road. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed the episode. Like, comment, subscribe. I do have a trip coming up that we're going to have some fun with. But Monday, I'm definitely off the board. So until the next time, we'll see you on the flip side. I mean, can you imagine sitting in a car and just looking at this beautiful, beautiful dash? Feeling proud for sure.